In this video tutorial, let's design a RAPTOR flowchart to find out square root of a given number without using any built-in function. The Babylonian method, also known as Heron's method, is an ancient iterative algorithm used for finding the square root of a number. Choose an initial guess for the square root of the number. Iterate using the formula to improve the root. The Babylonian method is efficient and converges quickly, making it a practical approach for calculating square roots. Let's find out the square root of the number 625 using the flowchart. Create a flowchart and save it. Choose File, Save as option to save the flowchart. The RAPTOR flowcharts have .rap file extension. Add a flowchart header comment to the flowchart with the description. Add an assignment flowchart symbol to declare the error tolerance variable. Initialize the variable. Add an assignment flowchart symbol to declare the iteration variable. Initialize the variable. Prompt the user to enter the number. Let's call this variable n. The user entered number will be stored in this variable n. Add an initial guess. Let's call this as variable x. Initialize the variable to n by 2. Declare the x root variable and assign it as per the formula. Add an iteration loop to the flowchart. The loop has two branches: the loop branch and the exit branch. Decide the loop condition carefully as per the loop branches. We will redefine the root in the loop until the absolute value of the difference between x root variable and x is less than or equal to the error tolerance. Specify the loop condition in the diamond shape. In the loop branch, increment the iteration variable by 1, assign the x variable to the x root. For every iteration, the old x root will be assigned to x and the new x root will be calculated as per the formula. Print the iteration and the x root variables. This is optional but helps with the debugging and displays how the root converges during the iteration runs. In the loop exit branch, this branch is taken when the loop condition is false. Print the dashes and the square root of the number. The x root variable after the iteration converges to the square root of the given number. Cross-check the flowchart for any errors. Save the flowchart. Execute the flowchart by clicking on the play button in the toolbar. This will execute the flowchart. The flowchart prompts for the number. Enter the number 625. The flowchart will compute the square root of the given number 625. You can notice that the flowchart iterates and calculates the x-root variable. The iteration results are displayed onto the master console window. When the flowchart terminates, the final result will be displayed to the console window. The square root of the given number 625 is 25.